Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use a whiteboard in Teams during meetings. First, open your Microsoft Teams application on your mobile device. Now tap on the home icon to navigate to the home screen. Here, tap on Meet to initiate a meeting. Next, tap on Start Meeting to begin the meeting session. Once you are in the meeting, tap on the three dots menu icon. From the menu options, tap on Share to access sharing options. Now tap on Share Screen to start screen sharing. After that, go back to your home screen and open the whiteboard and application on your device. Ensure that it is installed beforehand. In the whiteboard app, tap on Untitled to start a new whiteboard session. Here you can add various elements like text, images, and shapes. For example, you can add reactions. Select any reaction and adjust it on the page as needed. You can also tap on a link. You can also tap on ink to draw anything you like on the whiteboard. Now switch back to your Microsoft Teams app. Tap on the three dots menu icon again. Then tap on Share and select Share Screen once more. This will enable you to share the whiteboard screen during the meeting, allowing all participants to view and interact with the content in real time. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.